Hi everyone, and welcome back to the interview series we are doing as part of the Multilingual Mind lecture series. Here, we are interviewing the speakers and asking them different questions about their research and their background. Our next speaker is Jasmijn Bosch, who will be giving a talk on the 12th of January on predictive processing and cross-linguistic influence in bilingual children. She is one of the 15 PhD students of the MultiMind project and is working on language and literacy education in migrant children in educational settings. We firstly wanted to know what fascinates her most about bilingual children.
First of all, I am always a little bit jealous of children who speak two languages because it just seems to be so natural and effortless for them. And being a second language learner of Italian at the moment, I'm always very impressed by the bilingual children I work with, and I wish I had grown up bilingually. And from a scientific point of view, it is very interesting to study bilingualism in children because it offers another perspective on language acquisition. And by asking questions like, how do the two languages of bilingual children interact with each other, we can gain new insights in the organization of language in the human mind. But I would like to add to this that it's also simply the current reality that there are many, many children growing up bilingually. And therefore, it is also very important to study their language development in more detail, including consequences for example, literacy developments and educational outcomes.
Also, we were interested to know what differences there are in conducting studies with children compared to adults. Let's see what she had to say.
I would say that the main difference is that it is very important to keep children motivated. You can ask an adult to participate in a boring task that lasts 1 hour, and maybe you can then pay them or give them course credit for this. But this is not possible with children, so you need to divide the experimental tasks in smaller chunks, and you need to present them in a fun and engaging way. So in order to do this, we always present our tasks in the form of games to children, and we give them a reward for their participation, such as stickers, or sometimes we use a certificate for which they can earn stamps. Um, and in addition to this, some children really require some more personal attention. If a child is very shy, for example, we may first have a little chat just to make them feel more comfortable. Or if a child is very hyperactive, it may be necessary to interrupt testing at some point and to just jump up and down a few times before we continue. So, all in all, doing research with children sometimes requires a little bit of extra work. But all children are different, and therefore all testing sessions are different. And I think that in the end, this is just a lot of fun.
Thank you, Yasmin, for taking your time and answering the questions. And thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the interview, and I hope to see some of you at the lecture series.